which has only got worse with the lifting of the conservatory order on the 2023 Finance Act last week. We want to see actions by the regime that will lead to the immediate lowering of cost of living. It is our position that this issue does not require any discussion, but policy or action by the Kenya Kwanza government. But since they won't do it, lowering the cost of living has to be part of the talks. Negotiations must therefore include the repeal of the oppressive, cruel, and insensitive Finance Act 2023. Under Article 43, it is the responsibility of the state to guarantee access to basic needs such as food, education, water, health, etc. 9, negotiations must include the issue of inclusivity. Kenya Kwanza must be made to disown and disavow the illegal, unconstitutional, and divisive efforts to turn Kenya into a private company that hires only those who voted for Kenya Kwanza. We remind Kenya Kwanza that the declaration by Rigathi Gachagua that Kenya is a private company which has never been disowned by Mr. William RUTO isolates, marginalizes, and treats several communities and regions in Kenya as second-class citizens. It has revived the question of a credible solution of the right to self-determination. 10. Audit of 2022 elections and the bipartisan reconstitution of IEBC and respect for the autonomy and independence of political parties must be part of the talks. 11. In light of what has transpired these past days, we will bring to the table the issue of accountability and responsibility for the brutality and abuse of human rights of protesters. 12. It is our position that no party to these negotiations can and should determine for the other party what to raise and what not to raise. We will respect Kenya Kwanza's right to bring all its issues to the table, and they must also respect ours. Number 13, likewise, we expect Kenya Kwanza to have no objections to our priorities. 14, until we agree that each party has the freedom and right to bring its issues to the table, and as we continue to pursue discussion, we shall continue with our engagements with the people. That right is in our constitution. It has no basis for any discussion. We will continue exercising our constitutional rights of association,